Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, lastly we deal with the mixtures. Here in this lecture we deal with the solution. What solution actually is? Solution is a homogeneous mixture. We already know what homogeneous mixture is, and we also know the characteristics of a homogeneous mixture. Solution is also a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Means when we mix the different components and when they form a homogeneous mixture, that homogeneous mixture we more correctly called a solution. And solution is mostly composed of two components. The one component we called a solvent and another component we call it a solute. That is, solute and solvent are the two components of a mixture. We call those mixtures to be the binary mixtures. Binary mixtures. That is, solute and solvent are the two components. And which component we call to be a solvent? Which is present in excess amount. More. And the component which is present in smaller amount or in lesser amount, we call that component to be the solute. So solute and solvent mix to form a solution. The solvent can be a solid, liquid or a gas. Accordingly, depending upon the physical state of the solute, we can have solid, liquid or gas type of solutes. But when we mix the two components, when we form the binary mixtures, solute and solvent, what we get? We get a mixture, homogeneous mixture, and we call that homogeneous mixture to be a solution. And solution has got its own characteristics. What are the characteristics of a solution? The first and foremost characteristic of a solution is that it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. This is the first characteristics of a mixture, or we call it solution. Second characteristic of a solution is that the components of a solution are stable. That is, we can't isolate them as such. If a solution is allowed to stand as for longer periods of time, the components will not separate of its own. That is to say that solution is stable in nature. Solution is quite stable in nature. We can't employ the simple physical techniques like filtration or centrifugation. Through these simple techniques, we can't separate the components of a mixture. That is to say that the components of a mixture are quite stable in nature. Third characteristic is that the components of a mixture, what we call as, when we mix the components of a mixture, the components distribute in a homogeneous manner. That is, there is uniform distribution of solute within a solvent. The solute gets uniformly distributed, and the solute particles are so small that they are not visible to our naked eye. That is, through naked eye, the solute particles are not visible. We can't see the solute particles as such. That is to say that solution is quite stable in nature.